The day we create a shift from excuse to accountability is when our lives are going to change. Alexa, stop. I gave this voice command, but my device continued to stream the music that it was playing. So I raised my voice, and this time, in a slightly louder voice, I said, Alexa, stop. And I assumed that my voice command would reach to the device and the music would stop. But nothing happened. I thought my voice is not reaching the device. So I raised the pitch of my voice even more. And this time I said, literally shouting, Alexa, stop. But the music continued to play. The first assumption then and there that came to my mind was, what is wrong with the device? Why is the device behaving so unusual? While I was going through all of these, my little one, she came in. She saw me struggling with my voice commands and the music was not stopping. She said, okay, Google, stop. And the music stopped. She looked at me. I looked at her. We both smiled. And I suddenly realized that a day before, I had swapped the devices, but I forgot that. This left a very, very important question in me. A matter of self awareness, a matter of understanding and asking something to myself. Why is that? When something changes, when results stop coming, when somebody starts to behave in a different way, the first assumption that we have is what is wrong with the other side? Why isn't the first question that we ask or that comes to our mind is, did I change something? Is it happening because of me? Is the result different because I have started to do something different? When I look back how our brain operates, and then when I look back the social conditioning that at least I got, for every problem, somebody outside was supposed to be blamed. For roads not being cleaned, I was told that it's the government which is not doing its job. For the promotion I didn't get, I was told that the manager is not aware of your capability. For I not being able to crack certain exams, and when I used to give excuses saying that few other people are cheating or the question itself was not right, it was accepted. When I would not do well at sports and I would go back home and I would say, I'm a genius, I'm absolutely a great sports person, but I hurt my leg, so I could not do well, was accepted. Now, this acceptance of excuses creates a problem and has created a problem in most of us where we blame every single thing outside our circle of influence for our failures, for our fears, and for not getting what we want in our lives. The day we create a shift from excuse to accountability is when our lives are going to change. So, next time, when something is not working, when something is behaving differently, when you're not getting the results that you were getting, rather than assuming that something is wrong with the other side, take a pause and ask this question to yourself. Did I change something? Am I the reason behind this different result? And if yes, how am I going to now solve for it? Hope this helped. Stay safe. I'll see you guys soon.